this video, we will look at how to install Project for the Web for a non-default environment. When Project for the Web is first set up and used, all data will be stored within the default environment, and typically this is not recommended from a best practice point of view. So the ideal solution is to move the Project for the Web configuration into a non-default environment. To do this, you'll need to install Project Service Core within the environment itself. The starting point for doing this is in the make.powerapps.com, and in order to do this as well, you will need System Administrator access. To start, we will go on to the settings. We will navigate to the Admin Center. This will display a list of environments that currently exist within the tenant. What we want to do is we want to find the environment that we want to install Project for the Web in. We select the environment by clicking on the environment name. Next, we click on Resources and Dynamics 365 Apps. We then click on Install App. On the right hand side, we navigate down till we see Project Service Core. Once Project Service Core is found, select the tick box, click Next, tick the box to say I agree to the terms of service, and click Install. You'll notice that an install has now been started, and this may take between 5 to 20 minutes to complete. Once the install is complete, you'll see the status has now changed to installed, and what we can now do is navigate back to make.powerapps.com. Make sure that we have changed the environment to the non-default environment. We can then go to the solutions area and make sure that we have the project solutions installed. This is what gets added into the environment once you add the Project Service Core package that we have just completed. We can finally test this by navigating into the apps area, and now we can see the project app installed within this environment. By clicking on the app, you will then see the Project for the Web system, where you can start to add your projects into.